Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making 3 bookmarks using doodling technique and acrylic paints. So let's begin with the video. I'm using 3 sheets of 2.5 by 6 inches white paper, which is 250 GSM. For the first bookmark, I'm doodling some flowers and leaves and will ink it with a black pen. To complete the bookmark, I'm writing a Bible verse and adding some details on the flowers and leaves. I'm also using a corner punch to round the edges. For the second bookmark, I'm drawing some flowers and will paint them using acrylic paints. I'm writing a Bible verse as well as adding dotted lines using a black pen along with some details on the flowers using a white jelly roll pen. Also using a corner punch to round the edges. For the third bookmark, I'm painting a sky with clouds. use a black pen to add some details, along with writing the Bible verse. I'm adding some white dots on the sky to make them look like stars. Also going to round the edges of this bookmark with a corner punch. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments which bookmark you like the most. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like my video and share it with those who love art and craft content. Also comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.